This is daily chart of Bitcoin. This was your bottom for this bull market and this is your top. Based on elliott wave theory, you have two options. First, it is AVC corrective wave or 135 impulsive wave. Since this wave almost tested this high, which confirm this is AVC corrective pattern. This was your first A wave, then it made correction less than 38%, and this your C wave. Wave C made 61% projection, and ending down is possible only in wave C or fifth wave, and under both condition this ending diagonal predict sharp trend reversal. This ending diagonal has completed its 5 wave, and this first sharp correction confirm breakout of this chart pattern and bulls taking profit. So this was first sharp correction, and it can make minor correction, then it can continue its bearish trend. Technically no one will buy here. Buyers are waiting for 38, 50 and 61% retracement of entire trend, and 38 and 61% retracement of entire trend are right near the support and resistance, and these two are your buy zone where Fibonacci retracement first start. Above this support no one is going to buy, and everyone is waiting for retracement at least this support. If you try to buy between these two levels, then you are going to make big mistake. The reversal after this ending diagonal chart pattern make deep correction at least to the beginning of the chart pattern, the origin. If that happens, then it would make 61% retracement of entire trend. Since ending diagonal happen at top of the bull market and bulls are already start taking profit, so these two are your key support. On breakout of this support, the next target will be 61% retracement near this support. All of the sellers of this theory who are selling on this chart pattern have their SL above this dotted trend line and this high. So this is a clear AVC corrective wave making less than 30% retracement, and wave C making 61% projection, and wave C making ending diagonal. Since ending diagonal is itself a corrective pattern, so do not expect any kind of correction between these two levels, and this type of ending diagonal always follow a sharp correction. Since Bitcoin is a digital asset and it has not made lower low, because this low has not broken yet. Since this level got broken, it will have its first lower low. Everyone who buy at this bottom or somewhere between these has one day have to take his profit, because trend can not be forever up. Bitcoin price cannot go up forever, it has to make retracement, and on lower low this profit taking will accelerate much faster. This breakout we already predicted our previous video. We clearly said this trend line, if it break then crash is near. After retracement, how price react to this support will decide future price action of Bitcoin. It can continue its uptrend because this trend is triggered by Fed QE and tapering has been almost started. When Fed will announce tapering, all of these fundamental buyer will start taking profit. This was Elliott Wave analysis of Bitcoin. Subscribe this channel and follow us on TradingView. Before this video, we have already said this trade plan on TradingView, and this sharp correction which we have already explained in our previous video. So subscribe this channel and follow us on TradingView, or join our Telegram channel.